I really like this oil can, but when it falls over, it leaks oil everywhere. So I'm gonna try to make a replacement gasket for it and see how it goes. Got some different gasket material, some cork, and I think this might be a synthetic rubber cork something, I don't know. Alright, we got some paper towel stuffed in it. We'll try to get this marked out. Alright, see if we can get that cut out. Close enough. See if that works. Let's see if it'll hold oil. Perfect. Not a leak in sight. Now this isn't going to leak everywhere when it falls over. It's kind of tippy with this long stem, but I love this thing.